Between natural and man-made ecosystem, I think the ecosystem which needs greater amount of energy is the man-made ecosystem. It is because, unlike natural ecosystems, that sunlight is the energy source for plants, and this energy drives all biological cycles. In artificial ecosystem, though sunlight is the ultimate energy source for plants, there are still other artificial fertilizers and other nutrients that are externally supplied to the soil, or in other words, this ecosystem requires additional energy inputs from people to maintain its productivity. Today, humanity uses the equivalent of 1.75 Earths to provide the resources we use and absorb our waste. Based on the 2022 edition of the Natural Footprint and Biocapacity accounts, this means it now takes the Earth 1 year and 8 months to regenerate what we use in a year. Humanity uses more ecological resources and services than nature can regenerate through overfishing, overharvesting forests, and emitting more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere than forests can sequester. There are several ways that we can do to help our ecosystem to maintain its balance. The first one is recycling. Recycling helps to prevent the overharvesting of natural resources. The second one is conserve. Let's conserve energy by choosing more energy-efficient appliances and automobiles. If everybody uses less energy, pollution decreases and less coal gets used to power the nation and the world. And number 3, encourage. Let's encourage our family and friends to be ecologically aware in the ways that they live day to day. In that way, we can be responsible in consuming energy and valuing our ecosystem. Bioremediation. Bioremediation is an environmental science that amplifies natural biological actions to remedy or remediate polluted groundwater and contaminated soil. Rather than using expensive environmental remediation equipment to remove untreated toxic materials and dispose of them elsewhere, bioremediation techniques uses biological microbes to do the cleanup work. Microbes are tiny organisms naturally found in the environment. These bacterial microorganisms are nature's helpers in decomposing, recycling, and rectifying imbalanced chemical conditions in soil and water. For countless years, nature has been recorrecting itself, while humans continue to display a profound ability to make a mess and ignore their damage. But now, science has found an effective way to remediate bad soil and groundwater conditions by applying natural organic substances and using their inherent properties. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, bioremediation is a water and soil treatment technique using naturally occurring organisms to attack hazardous materials and change them into less toxic substances. Often, highly contaminated sites can become toxin-free using proper bioremediation steps and specialized equipment.